Today is November 8th, 2025, and Meta has just returned to a gap price support level where trends either hold or collapse. And this isn't just a normal pullback. This was an unwinding of a parabolic advance. And right now, the market is asking a single question. Do institutions defend this gap price support level, or will they walk? And for months, Meta was in a controlled ascent here. Every dip was bought, every headline in Zuckerberg headline was fuel. Every earnings call was victory, and then the price structure shifted off a complete nice divergent high with negative and bearish divergences constructed on the foundation of the momentum indicator structure. And as this bearish rising wedge formed, momentum began to diverge, where price pushed higher and strength never followed. You had a breakdown, backtest sell signal with a nice steep counter trend rally. And when that white trend line broke, the lifeline of the entire bull leg broke. And when it broke, the market steered into a downtrending cycle, and the lifeline and the market didn't just correct, it completely liquidated. Straight down, no midpoint pauses, flashing and slicing through a lot of these Fibonacci levels like a knife through butter, with no organized bidding and just forced selling into the real demand zone here, where price has now backtested off the 603 gap fill, now perfect backfill of the gap in price support. And this is not just a support line. This is where smart money once chose to enter that trade, where the accumulation began back here in May. And now the question isn't technical, it's behavioral. And so do these same buyers return, or do they let the trend completely fall? And nothing meaningful will change until the 630 handle is taken out with conviction. Short sellers and or bear traders will begin to get that stop out process on a solidified green candle close breakout above. As for now, the ball lies in the court of the bulls, and they will continue to add and pack shorts to a continuation unwinding down to these second and third initiation targets. RSI is completely oversold in these conditions, but it's oversold inside of a breakdown, not a reversal. MACD is still expanding downward here, where volume is red, heavy. Liquidation, and this really defines liquidation, not a rotation. And none of this is bullish momentum yet. Until that level is taken out, long traders, bull traders, they must hold the 603 handle really at all costs, even down to the 610 handle, if and when a breakout would occur on top of the 630, and ultimately matching out a bunch of stops to go off on any short sellers that are holding these shorts above the 637 handle. And once again, make no mistake, Meta is not just testing some key technical levels. It's testing belief in the growth narrative, belief in AI spending, and belief in that Zuckerberg cannot miss. If the price holds, I believe the story will continue to the upside if and when these levels are taken out. But if 603 snaps, it won't be the chart that completely breaks first. It'll be the confidence. And charts always break confidence before confidence breaks the charts.